Equations of a straight line. Introduction. In life, we have terms like slopiness, steepness, vertical, and horizontal. When climbing a staircase, for instance, we move horizontally, then vertically. In a lift, we always move vertically, whether up or down. During painting, a painter will place the ladder in a slopy manner so as to climb it when painting. In normal circumstances, a person will be seen walking horizontally. An equation of a straight line is derived from a linear equation. A linear equation is an equation with variables whose power do not exceed 1. For example, 2y plus 3x is equal to 1 is a linear equation where the power of y is 1 and the power of x is 1. Other examples of linear equations are 2x is equal to 5, y is equal to negative 6, 3y plus x is equal to 1. Negative 5y minus 4x plus 5 is equal to 7. 6y minus 2x is equal to negative 8. 3x plus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. Note that linear equations have various parts. For example, 3y plus 2x is equal to 1 has 3 parts. It has the variables, constants, and the coefficients. X and y are called variables. A variable is a letter that can stand for various numerical values. 3 and 2 are the coefficients of y and x respectively. A coefficient is a number by which a variable is multiplied. 1 is referred to as a constant. A constant is a fixed number, that is, a number that does not change. The table below shows parts of various equations of straight line. Y is equal to mx plus c. A linear equation can be expressed in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, where y and x are variables. The double intercept. Consider the general equation of a line below. Ax plus by is equal to c. To find y-intercept, the value of x is equal to 0. Therefore, a times 0 plus by is equal to c. by is equal to c. Y is equal to c over b. Relationship between gradients of parallel lines. Two or more lines are said to be parallel if they lie side by side with equal distance in between. Worked examples. Relationships between gradients of perpendicular lines. Any two perpendicular lines intersect at right angles, that is 90 degrees. Consider the following pair of equations. Y minus 2x is equal to 3. X plus 2y is equal to 2. When we write the equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c, we get y minus 2x plus 3. Y is equal to negative 1 over 2x plus 1. The graphs of the equations are illustrated below. Y is equal to 2x plus 3. Plotting the equations on the same Cartesian plane. Note, from the graphs, the two lines intersect at right angles. Note that the gradient of y is equal to 2x plus 3 is 2, and that of y is equal to negative 1 over 2x plus 1 is negative 1 over 2. If you multiply the two gradients, you get 2 times minus 1 over 2 is equal to negative 1.